This Metspa was losing leads every single day. Not because of staff or they got bad service, but because of low response to lead. And I fixed all of the problem with one single AI automation. And here's what happens to their booking. The response time to their lead, they went from responding to lead in 4 to 6 hours to under 2 minutes. And cancellation booking went up by 30% in the first 30 days. And the before and after, before leads goes cold and staff was overwhelmed for no reason. After every lead get instant reply, which means more booking and less chaos. And the question here is, if your front desk is manually following up with every inquiry they get, this video is for you. At first, who the client even was. It was a med spa based in New York and they have been operating since 10 years. And it was a mid-sized med spa offering multiple treatments. Like they offered Botox and filters, laser treatment, boarding countering, skincare and facials and many more. And the team size was 30 to 40 staff and before AI those people were handling leads manually which take a lot of time. And the Spa was getting many high quality leads from Instagram DMs, Facebook ad, Google search, and also their website forms. And an estimate they get 100 plus leads a week. And the owner, their goal was just to consistent booking and less chaos and try to close more of the clients they contact. The problem was lead come from everywhere from Instagram, Facebook, Google website, but no one was responding fast enough so the lead get attention and they get service from this Medspa. And because of this, front desk is slammed with handling walk-in calls, handling walk-ins, calls, check-ins, and payment, and inquiries just sit there under answered for weeks or even months. And due to that, many clients just leave there and never come back. And by the time someone follow-ups, the lead already booked somewhere else or just they went cold or forget about it. And also there was no process to fix it. No consistent follow-up processes. Some leads got 3 follow-up, other got none. Depends on who was working that day. And owner was checking DMs of after hours trying to save leads at 10 p.m. But that don't work. It was like reacting instead of running a business. And staff was also burning out, juggling patients in clinic and chasing leads at the same time. Revenue all over the places. Good weeks, bad weeks, no idea why, no control. The real problem was not enough problem. It was broken process lead leaking out every day for no reason, even without paying for it. And what they tried before AI. Hired an extra front desk person especially to handle inquiries. Post doesn't justify the result. Person still could not respond instantly because it was just 1% and there was hundreds of leads coming every day. They also tried a basic CRM to organize leads, still required manual follow-ups. Nothing was automated. They also tried setting up auto emails, but lead expect a real conversation. Generic reply don't convert. And lead was asking something and the auto reply answer something. They also created script and checklist for staff to follow, but it was inconsistent execution. Training took a lot of time and high turnover made it even worse. And also they tried to spend money or more ads to compensate for poor conversation, but more leads coming in the same problem just make the problem even worse. Just a problem at higher volume. Every fixed addressed the symptom, not the root case. The problem wasn't lead. It was the response time. And what even changed when the AI comes? The moment a lead fills out a form, send a DM or text in, they got a real personalized response within 60 to 90 seconds any day, anytime. The AI qualifies the lead by asking the right question, what service they are interested in, when they are available, whether they had a treatment before or no. More interested leads get moved directly to booking. Either a link is sent or a AI books an appointment directly into the calendar. Leads that aren't ready yet goes into follow-up sequence. The AI checks back in over the few days without anyone on the team lifting a finger. Staff now only talk to leads that are already qualified and ready to book, and the conversation they had is much easier and higher value. No wasted time on leads that aren't even interested anymore. When owners stop stop checking DMs after hours. The AI system handles everything, all of it. The team described the shift as going from chasing people to just showing up for the booked appointment, which saves a lot of time, and help them scale their revenue even further. The result they were getting, the response time dropped from 4 to 6 hours average to under 2 minutes. Every lead get follow-ups and reminders every time, day or night, no matter the time, and the conversation rate goes up by 30%. More lead turning into actual appointment, increasing the revenue for this Medspa business. Booking in 1 month goes from 10 to 30 directly from the leads that would have gone cold. No extra ad spend or no extra ad spend or no more team hired. No more team hired. The revenue impact. They had made over $10,000. Revenue was generated from leads that previously would have gone cold. From leads, the old process was losing every week. And the time saved. They saved around 100 hours plus per week from the front desk, now only focused on patients that are already booked and that are already qualified. And first, for every extra hire, they were paying tens of thousands of dollars a month, and the automation cost not even the 50% of the result, which brings better result at a very lower cost. No show rate. AI booked appointment showed up 30% of the time, higher than before. Leads were pre-qualified and easy to manage. The life after for this Medspa business. The front desk comes in and focuses entirely on the patients already in the building. No more juggling for cold leads. Every leads that comes in get follow-up, no explanation, no matters the time or day. Doesn't matter if it was 2 a.m. on a Sunday, and the owner can run paid leads confidently now because they know every lead will be handled properly, and no more waste money or leads that don't even convert or go cold. And now revenue is more predictable. The pipeline is no more dependent on who show up at the work that day, which means consistent booking and consistent income than before. And the team feel less stressed because a whole category of work has been removed from the plate, and now they can only focus on better patient, focus on the stuff that really matter, which increase the patient experience, bringing more clients. And the business doesn't just get more leads converted, it became a different kind of business to run. And at the end, if your Medspa is getting leads but not converting them fast, this is a fixable problem, not a business problem. And if you want this kind of automation built for your business, you can book a call with me. Booking link in my bio, which is totally free to book.